Hi everybody, welcome to my YouTube. I'm Jen. Today we are going to open up the Pink Disco mystery box from Cricut. This one is pretty heavy, so I can't wait to see what's inside. So let's open her up. Oh, so much tape. There we go. Alright. Oh, look at all that pink beauty. Okay, first I have to show you this one because this is the new iron-on heat transfer vinyl that glows, fairly new, that glows in the dark. How cool is that? I have a video from the end of last year, I believe, making a bag, a beautiful bag, with this glow in the dark. I can't wait to use it again. Paper. Okay. I see a Cutie, so we will wait and open her last. I see some infusible ink coasters. Very nice. Ooh, and they're ceramic. Look at that. Very nice. A roll of permanent glossy vinyl in silver. A gorgeous, look at that color. Premium holographic threads. Party pink color. There's a one sheet, it's 12 by 48. This one also one sheet, 12 by 48. Then we have, this one is heavy, a strong bond, metallic iron-on. Ooh, 3 sheets, 12 by 12. And just look at a little sampler in there. Silver, black, and gold. Very cool. More pink. Hence the Pink Disco. It is a tea party sampler. Everyday iron-on. 3 of them, 12 by 12 in white, red, and pink. Is that a dark pink? Dark pink and light pink, maybe? Let's see. I have to find out, because it's called Tea Party, if that's a red or a pink. That is definitely a pink. So, gorgeous dark pink with light pink and white. And then we have Cricut infusible ink in Rainbow Cheetah. Gorgeous. That'll be fun to use on the ceramic tile coaster. And then we have cardstock bulk sampler in basic. Oh, I can use this. I've been needing to get some more cardstock. This is black and white. And cream. Okay, there's the white. We saw the white, we saw the black, and there's the cream. Gorgeous. Then there's gray. So 4 colors, 12 by 12 and 24 sheets. Now, let's see what's in here. So this is a chrome. Does this say chrome? Carom? Cricut? I guess this is just Cricut. In the color True Pink. So let's see how true pink this little gal is. I do not think I have this one. Oh, she's so cute. She is a true pink. She's truly a true pink. So that is the Pink Disco mystery box. If you're seeing this video and it was just released today, quickly run, don't walk, to see if it's still available. The comment link or the shopping link is in the description box below. Thanks for watching.